Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Renewal of Strength, July 31st. Promises to the courageous. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. In order to fight successfully, a soldier must have courage and strength. Of ourselves, we are weak and feeble, but we have the promise. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Obstacles to the advancement of God's work will appear, but fear not. The omnipotence of the King of Kings, our covenant-keeping God, unites with the gentleness and care of a tender shepherd. Nothing can stand in his way. His power is absolute, and it is the pledge of the sure fulfillment of his promises to his people. He can remove all obstructions to the advancements of his work. He has means of removal of every difficulty, that those who serve him and respect the means he employs may be delivered. His goodness and love are infinite, and his covenant is unalterable. The plans of the enemy of his work may seem to be firm and well established, but he can overthrow the strongest of these plans, and in his own time and way he will do this. When he sees that our faith has been sufficiently tested, and that we are drawing near to him and making him our counselor. In the darkest days, when appearances seem so forbidding, fear not. Have faith in God. He is working out his will, doing all things well in behalf of his people. The strength of those who love and serve him will be renewed day by day. His understanding will be placed at their service, that they may not err in carrying out of his purposes. There is to be no despondency in God's service. Our faith is to endure the pressure brought to bear upon it. God is able and willing to bestow upon his servants all the strength they need. He will more than fulfill the highest expectations of those who put their trust in him. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.